What's up everyone? Here with me is Big Chow and
King Kong on the mix.
alright, anyway.
Mga chong. Ayan na naman tayo sa panibagong episode.
So, grabe good ang experience kanina sa pagsakay pa lang. Grabing pila.
Tapos summertime talagang di madaling pumila.
Yes.
Sus! Para pila to karos dito na no? Na-stranded.
72 hours na siguro.
After 1 million years, naka-raos din kami. Pag ako nanalo sa loto ng 1 million times point something, bibili ako ng maraming barko. At sisiguraduhin kong tag-iisang barkaw lahat ng tao dito.
Yes, papasakayin ka. Papasakayin? Ano na Tagalog? Sige mag-Tagalog. Okay, find out for our next video.
Yeah.
And
more out. See you in Gamigan, guys.
Umembot ng ganito Pamela 3, parang kinikiliti Pamela 4, gagayain ang F4
What's up, Binang? Welcome to Gamigan. Very much excited to explore this island. This is actually Sir Potoy. We call it Potoy. I'm Brian, and that's Kirk. And that's Cho. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. This is my second time, and I'm very excited to see you again. Many of us here, so get to have a chance to.
Ano na, nag-backtest na ando. Tas nag-agibes.
Dili go sa English guys. So, no, mo na tayo English. Okay.
Moya bunda.
Kaibigan, usap tayo. Una-una.
Hello, so crispy, so delicious. Kahit nga food, ang tawag ang keeping. Naka-remember ko, childhood food din ako.